All right, so let's give it up for Kausi Solchukwu. That's right, give it up for her. All right, so thanks a lot, Kausi Solchukwu, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day, right? She said that she also goes by the short version of her name, Kausi, right? So, Kausi Solchukwu, you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So, Kausi Solchukwu, Ka means, I guess it means that, right? Ka. Yeah, Ka. I think it kind of means that. I think that's like a direct, I think that's a close enough translation to Ka. Ka osi. So, osi means the way that it. Ka gosi. Yeah, like, osi means kind of like the way that it.